I am literally falling asleep as I sit down to film this daily video diary, but I wanted to still show up anyways. Today was a day that I had a full plate. Yesterday I was saying how today would be a lot better because I would have more free time, but of course free time isn't actually free time. It's me still being busy and doing things I need to do. I just had less appointments out of the house, so I had a virtual psychiatrist appointment and I worked on rebuilding my boy's guinea pig cage, which took a lot of time and effort, but I am so happy with the way it turned out. And I'm working on transferring the stuff that was in my room back into the kitchen, and it's a whole process, and that took a lot of time and energy, and it's still not done yet. I baked with my friend for a bit because I am bringing dessert to a Christmas party I'm going to tomorrow. I had a massage and I took care of my animals, and I got up at 9:30 this morning, and it is 10:30 p.m. now, and I have been literally nonstop ever since. And at the end of the day, I feel so fulfilled with myself, and that's not to say that you can't feel fulfilled with yourself on days where you don't have a million things on your plate, because I've still felt fulfilled on days where I laid around and did practically nothing. But on days like today where I took care of so many different passions and got done so many things and had quality time with friends and family, it makes me feel really motivated to keep checking things off and catching up on life. Excited to see where this is all gonna lead, and there's so many good things going on. I'm behind on so many things right now, but I am truly enjoying the process of catching up and making it to where I want to be and not beating myself up for not being there yet. My camera is running out of storage, and I am literally fighting for my life to stay awake right now. So I'm gonna end this video diary early. I'm sorry it's not what I was expecting it was gonna be, but I need to prioritize my finally sleeping, because I hardly ever fall asleep and I'm tired at night. So I'm gonna take this as a win. And having these last two video diaries be shorter because of how exhausted I am will only make it easier for me to catch up when I get to editing these videos, so it'll be a win in the end. I have another full weekend. Hopefully Sunday I can relax a little bit more. Monday I have a final for my history class, and then I can just relax after. There are a lot of good things coming up, a lot of things I'm excited for, and I need a schedule and time to rest for when days like today happen and I'm non-stop. I have the energy to do it. So with that being said, comment down below what you're proud of for today. I'm proud of myself for being where I am, and my goal for tomorrow is to just keep up doing what I'm doing.